Okay, ABC Chinese, Haroi, so easy, easy, easy. ABC Chinese, Haroi, so easy. Okay, welcome to ABC Chinese. This is Connie. I really thank you guys for your support and everything. I thank you. A Chinese will say, xie xie, xie xie. Xie xie means thank you. Okay, please try to subscribe to my channel. Please also try to share my video with your loved ones, your friends, your family members, and everyone. Thank you for doing that. Okay, are you worried about studying in China or doing any business in China? Or worry no more. Panis Wardrobe and General Merchandise is here to help you. I'll kindly call this number 0086 187 353 937 You can also add us on WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you. Shashi. Okay, so as we always do, I'll be speaking the Chinese, then I'll translate or interpret into English and Chi. Okay, do you know Chi? Yeah, Chi is a local dialect. Okay, so I will speak the Chinese, then I will translate or interpret into English and Chi, my local language. Yeah. Dialect. Yeah. Okay, so for mo nyinaa fa ABC Chinese so mo ni abasi kɔne enie. Okay, meda mo nyinaa ase sɛ abere biara mota m'akyi abere a mohwɛ me video no. Meda mo ase bebree. Mɛkyerɛ sɛ monkɔ so a na monyɛ sɛ deɛ moyɛ no ɛma me saa. Meda mo ase. Ana afei nso no sɛ wohwɛ video no a na mɛkyerɛ sɛ wobɛmia subscribe button no so na wasubscribe to my channel no sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a abere biara mede video foforɔ bɛto hɔ nom a nsa bɛka na watumi ahwɛ na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ. Yɛn nyinaa yɛsua adeɛ abom na ayɛ fɛfɛɛfɛ. Meda wo ase sɛ ɔyɛ ne saa. Ana wodwene kwan abɛfa so wabɛsua deɛ wɔ China anaasɛ wodwene kwan abɛfa so a wopɛ business bi wɔ China a Connie's Wardrobe and General Merchandise sɛ ɔbɛboa wo ama aboa wo ɛyɛ wo outsourcing ne biribiara ama wo. Deɛ ehia ne sɛ wobɛfrɛ saa number a mebɛbobɔ ama wo yi. Ɛyɛ 0086 187 353 937 0086 187 353 937 Wofrɛ number wei anaasɛ wɔade wɔ WhatsApp a bɛtumi adi nkɔmmɔ afa adwumasɛm ne sukuusɛm ne biribiara ho. Meda ase. Chinese ni bɛka sɛ hyia kyerɛ sɛ meda ase. Okay, so guys, so today we are going to learn something about we are still on days of the week. Okay, days of the week, and in my last video we learned something about from days of the week from what Monday to Thursday, and today we are going to continue from Friday to Sunday. How to say Friday, Saturday, and Sunday in Chinese. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, Chinese will say "Dumpe halama." It means are you ready? Then you will say "Dumpe hala." It means I'm ready or ready. Okay, so okay, now I'm going to say "Dumpe halama." Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, you're ready. Okay, but before we begin, please take your pen and your paper to write something down. Okay. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, but before we begin with our list of the weeks, we are going to learn something here, some characters. Okay, so now let's begin with our characters. Okay, so our first character here is okay. Say hello, ni hao. Okay, so our first character here is let's read after me. Ding, tian, ding, tian, ding, tian, ding, tian, ding, tian. Okay, ding, tian means today, and the Chinese is ding, tian. Ding, tian means today. So if you hear someone saying ding, tian, the person is trying to say today, today, today. So, 今天, please read after me one more time. 今天, 今天, very good. Okay, 今天 we know, I just say today, and I say and I say today. So, this will be 今天, 今天, just say today, 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 今天, 今天, today. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have the next one here. Our next character here is okay. So our next character here is Shin Chi Shin Chi Shin Chi Shin Chi. Okay, Shin Chi here means week week. Okay, so week. Okay, so Shin Chi Shin Chi Shin Chi means week week. Okay, so let's say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so they are all days of the week. Okay, so this Shin Chi, let's read that one more time. Ready? Go. Okay, Shin Chi for the last time. Okay, let's go. Shin Chi. Very good, great job. So Shin Chi here means week week. Shin Chi week. Okay, Shin Chi when it just say week. It's a what Shinty, Shintia. It just a week, week. Yeah. So Shinty, Shinty means week. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have our next character here. Yeah. Okay, so our next character here is D D D. Okay, D is the meaning. Okay, D means it means a few or how many. Okay, so if you want to, let's say if you want to ask someone, okay, how many or something, yeah, D means how many, or it also means a few, okay, so D, okay, it means how many or a few, how many or a few, D, okay, G when it just say how many and I say a few. It is a okay D, yeah. And yeah, there is strange be I just say how many and I say a few. Okay, so let's read for the last time. D. Okay, great job. Great job. Yeah, you did fun. Okay, so now we are going to begin with our days of the week. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, Dumbe Halama, Dumbe Hala. Okay, so now let's go. In my last video, I've already told you we learned from Monday to Thursday. So today we are going to continue from Friday to Sunday. So now let's begin. Okay, so our first character here is okay. So we all know this to be Friday, right? Friday. And Friday in Chinese is we just learned Shinti. Shinti it means week, okay? Week, okay. So if you want to say Friday, let's see how to say in Chinese. Okay, so Shin Chi Wu. Great job. Follow me, okay? Okay, let's go. 星期五，星期五. Okay, very good. 星期五，星期五. Okay, very good. 星期五 means Friday. So if if you are talking with someone and the person say, 星期五, it means Friday. 星期五。星期五 Friday. 星期五 Friday. Okay, 星期五 ni kyerɛ sɛ Friday nti sɛ wote Friday anaasɛ bi a wote sɛ Chinese ni bi kasa na wɔka 星期五kyerɛ sɛ Friday. 星期五. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I have the next one here to be okay, So our next one here is, okay, so now please read after me. Xing, Chi, Liu. Yeah, come on. Let's go one more time. Xing, Chi, Liu. Okay. Xing, Chi, Liu. Xing, Chi, Liu. Okay. Xing, Chi, Liu means Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Saturday in Chinese is Xing, Chi, Liu. Xing, Chi, Liu. Okay. So Xing, Chi, Liu means Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Xing, Chi, Liu. Xing, Chi, Liu. Okay. Xing, Chi, Liu. It's a Saturday. It's a what is a beer out or Saturday. Saturday. You can say Xing, Chi, Liu. Xing, Chi, Liu. Xing, Chi, Liu. It's a Saturday. Saturday. Okay. Xing, Chi, Liu. Xing, Chi, Liu. Okay. Let's move on to the next character here. The last character. Last character. Da. Okay, so our last character here is, who can try? Okay, so Sunday in Chinese is 星期日. Okay, 星期日. Okay, oh, let's read it a little bit fast. Okay, so 星期日, 星期日, 星期日. Okay, 星期日 means Sunday. Sunday. Okay, Sunday in Chinese is 星期日. 星期日, or you can also say 星期天. 星期天 also means Sunday. Okay, so it's either you say 星期日, 星期日, or you can also say 星期天. So if you want to say 星期天, you can say 星期天. 星期天 means Sunday, or you can also say 星期日, 星期日 or 星期天. They're all the same. Okay, so you can choose one. 星期天, 星期日. Okay, they all means Sunday. Sunday. Okay, so now we are going to say how to, if you want to ask someone, what day is it today? What day is it today? How to ask someone in Chinese, what day is it today? Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so we have also already learned this. Okay, so if you want to say, what day is it today in Chinese? How to ask someone in Chinese? Okay, so you do like this. Begin with, okay, 今天 today. 今天 okay. 星期 then you add this one. D. Okay, let's go one more time. Okay, so we begin with, let's go. 今天星期 D. Great job. So if you want to ask someone in Chinese, what day is it today? How to ask? 今天星期几? 今天星期几? It means, what day is it today? What day is it today? 今天星期几? 今天星期几? Okay, for example, if you want to say, oh, what day is it today? 今天星期几? And you want to reply or answer by saying, oh, today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Okay, let's take today to be Friday. Okay, let's take today to be Friday. So if you want to say, oh, today is Friday, how to say in Chinese? Today is Friday, how to say in Chinese? Okay, so now let's see. 今天星期五. Okay, so if you want to say, today is Friday in Chinese, 今天星期五, 星期五 Friday. 今天星期五, today is Friday. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for watching, and please try to subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. 再见, bye bye.